Alright everybody, welcome to another episode of Kyle's Kitchen. On tonight's episode, we're going to be making blueberry cheesecake, okay? I got the blueberry, I'll show you the ingredients one by one. Got the blueberry compote, cheesecake batter, okay, milk, I got some almond milk to give it some sweetness, butter, alright, and sugar. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is I'm gonna follow the recipe. Okay, so I'm gonna pour the milk into the small bowl with the powder. Okay, so the filling goes in. The filling's gonna go into the bowl. The cheesecake filling. This one is graham cracker crust, but I already have a pre-made graham cracker crust, okay? So I don't need that. Next is pour the milk in. So the measurement for milk is 1.5 cups cold milk. So we're gonna pour 1.5 cups cold milk. One and a half cups cold milk. Okay. After that, we're going to mix it. And I got my mixer right here. So alright, so now we're going to mix it up. We got the milk in there with the filling. I'm going to mix it up. Alright, this recipe, you would have needed the butter and the sugar for the graham cracker crust if you're going to mix all that together in a separate bowl. But I bought graham cracker crust separate, already made, okay, to make it easier. Also, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a little bit of sugar, I'm going to sprinkle the sugar in the cheesecake batter. A little bit of sugar. Maybe like 3 pinches of sugar. Okay, then I'm going to mix it. Alright, the blueberry we're going to use last. The blueberry compote, we're going to put that on last. First, you have to take the cream cheese after we mixed it, the cream cheese filling, the cheesecake, and put it in the graham cracker crust. Now we're going to have to throw that in the fridge and let it set for 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours. Go. About how long it has to sit for. About 2 hours. I think it was better, easier than I bought the graham cracker crust. Simple, see? Graham cracker crust already made. All we gotta do is just throw this bad boy in. Just gotta put this in and fill it. Gotta fill it. And then we gotta mix it around and smooth it out. From the inside out. From the inside out. The inside out, you stroke it. The inside of the cake out. See? I'll show you. From the inside out. Inside out. Inside out. And then around and around and around and around and around and around. Until it's smooth on all sides and you cover the crust. You don't really want to see the crust, just a little bit. Cover it. Okay? Next, we're going to throw this bad boy in the fridge, okay? We'll throw this in the fridge. We're going to let it sit for 2 hours. I'll show you the final product when I put after, and we're going to put on some blueberry compote on top of that. And it's going to be bellissima molto bene. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how I plate the cheesecake. Okay? So, got the cheesecake right here. My plate I'm going to put it in. I just opened up the blueberry compote. Alright, I'm going to cut a slice out of the cheesecake. Okay, looks good. Now, I'm going to show you what it looks like with the blueberry on top. I'm only going to put a little bit of blueberry. Alright. And voila! Blueberry cheesecake. Yummy. Alright. Thank you for tuning in to this episode. And we'll see you next time, okay? See you, everybody. Be good. Keep your mask on. Use sanitation in the kitchen. And stay clean. And be happy. Alright, everybody. We love y'all. Keep tuning in.